Do you believe it? It seems like many guys have forgotten that there's life beyond chasing one person. A lot of guys become blinded by love and chase a girl, as if she's the last drop of water in the desert. But the worst part is the feeling of stupidity, which leads to foolish decisions that will only drag you down. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 4 tips on how to regain control over your life and stop acting foolishly when it comes to romance. And the best part is, if this girl still feels something real for you, these tips will make her come to you without you having to beg for her attention. 1. Indifference. Here's the painful truth, bro. Sometimes a girl who still has feelings for you stays in her comfort zone. She knows that you'll do anything, even chase her just to get her attention. As a result, she doesn't have to put in any effort, and sometimes even underestimates you, giving no reciprocation. If you want to wake her up and make her start caring about you, you need to step back. Stop commenting on her photos, liking every post, or texting her asking what she's up to. Let me clarify, bro. This isn't about being cold or disappearing completely, but about prioritizing yourself and showing that your life isn't just about chasing her. You have a life outside of her. You can hang out with your friends, pursue your hobbies, or dedicate yourself to work or studies. Show her that you're a whole person who doesn't need her to be happy. If she happens to come looking for you, stay calm, bro. Don't respond quickly or be available all the time. Make her realize that the game has changed, and now you're the one in control. Be strategic in your responses and encounters and watch as things start to shift. She'll step out of her comfort zone, and if she truly has feelings for you, she'll make an effort. If she doesn't feel anything anymore, you've still saved yourself. You'll be in a much better place, more confident, happier, and controlling your life, not being controlled by chasing a girl who doesn't like you. 2. No games. Stopping the chase isn't about playing games, bro. It's about maturity and intelligence. When you decide not to follow her everywhere, the results will be real and lasting. But if you stop only to manipulate the situation, it won't last long, because deep down you're still hoping for a little attention from her. Change your mindset. Stopping the chase isn't because you're playing games, but because it's a mature and conscious decision not to waste your dignity. One more thing, bro. This isn't just about her. This is about you too. By stopping the chase, you're not only teaching her a lesson, but you're also teaching yourself. A lesson that shows you have value, that you deserve to be treated with respect, and that you won't degrade yourself just to get her attention. Don't get trapped in thinking that stopping the chase means you're just being indifferent or acting like you don't care. It's not like that, bro. You're focusing on something more important in your life, so you don't have time to chase her anymore. Stop playing games and start acting with honesty and authenticity. Take control of your life and feelings, and you'll see how everything naturally falls into place. 3. Focus on the present and forget the past. Thinking about the past is what makes many guys sink deeper and keep chasing a girl as if she's their last chance for happiness. It's normal, bro. You know, we always remember the good times. But look, bro, getting stuck in the past will only trap you in an endless cycle of suffering. Focusing too much on what happened and how perfect that girl was in your life will only drag you down. Forget about it, bro. Focus on the present. If she still feels something for you, she will find a way to come back. Take advantage of the moment and stop constantly reminiscing about what's already gone, because it will only create unnecessary anxiety that leads to foolish decisions you'll regret later. Some guys get stuck in the past. Every night they go crazy, feeling incredibly lonely without the girl who was always with them. They try texting and calling endlessly. But guess what? What they always regret is the time they wasted because that girl never pays attention to them anymore. So, stop with the nonsense of going back to the past and focus on the present. Don't let anxiety control you and make you take actions you'll regret later. 4. Don't set any expectations. Believe me, bro, there will come a time when this girl knocks on your door, especially if there's still something left inside her. But be careful, bro. This is the most dangerous part. It's so easy to build up expectations and think everything will go back to the way it was, but the reality is, You might end up disappointed or worse, make a huge mistake when she shows up. You can't be the same as before when you got her. You need to change your mindset and act differently. If you stay the same, don't expect different results, bro. Stay strong without building expectations, and be the man who controls the situation. Don't run to her just because you see signs of attraction. First, stay firm and let things flow naturally. Don't get lost in expectations, even though it's tempting to imagine everything going back to the beautiful past. But it's important to stay firm and remember the reasons for the breakup, the changes you've both gone through since then. Don't expect her to come back exactly as she was, just because she shows a sign of interest. Take it easy, bro. Keep an open mind and be prepared for whatever scenario comes next. In this way, you'll avoid disappointment and handle any situation that comes your way with ease. Conclusion. Remember, bro, this doesn't mean you can't chase a girl, but don't chase a girl who doesn't care about you, who doesn't appreciate you, or doesn't want you, because in the end, a cool guy attracts girls, he doesn't chase them. Thank you, I hope this helps.